Hello everyone. Welcome back to ZeroDiabetes Zone, where we share everything you need to know to live a happy and healthy life with diabetes. Today we're diving into a very important topic, diabetes and kidney health. We'll explore the connection between the two and what you can do to protect your kidneys. So, let's get started. Did you know that diabetes is one of the leading causes of kidney disease? Our kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste and excess fluids from our blood. But when blood sugar levels are consistently high, it can damage the tiny blood vessels in the kidneys. This can lead to a condition known as diabetic nephropathy. Diabetic nephropathy is a type of kidney disease that occurs in people with diabetes. Over time, high blood sugar can cause the kidneys to become less efficient, leading to a buildup of waste products in the body. So, how can you tell if your kidneys are affected by diabetes? Here are some signs and symptoms to look out for. Number 1, swelling in your feet, ankles, or hands. Number 2, high blood pressure. Number 3, fatigue or feeling weak. Number 4, increased need to urinate, especially at night. Number 5, difficulty concentrating or confusion. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider. The good news is, there are steps you can take to protect your kidneys and manage your diabetes effectively. Here are some tips. Number 1, maintain a healthy diet. Focus on eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid processed foods and excessive salt. Number 2, monitor blood sugar levels. Keep your blood sugar within your target range by checking it regularly and taking your medications as prescribed. Number 3, stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps your kidneys filter out toxins. Number 4, exercise regularly. Physical activity can help control blood sugar levels and improve overall health. Number 5, avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. Both can increase the risk of kidney damage. Number 6, regular check UPS. Visit your doctor regularly for checkups and tests to monitor your kidney function and overall health. Remember, managing your diabetes and protecting your kidneys go hand in hand. By making healthy choices and staying vigilant, you can live a full and active life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to ZeroDiabetes Zone for more tips and information. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Stay healthy and keep thriving, ZeroDiabetes Zone community.